Literature, lesson number 3, a visit to Jaipur, which is given on page number 36. Here, in this chapter, we will be reading about one letter, a letter written to a friend. So here, two friends are there, one is Riya and one is Raja. Riya writes a letter to Raja about her trip to Jaipur. So she went to a Jaipur with her parents, with her family. So she is writing a letter to Raja, who left for London with his parents. Okay, he left the school also in which they were both were friends. So in this chapter we will be reading about the Riya's letter. So let us begin. She wrote the address first. Second, Fairview Apartment, Kolkata 25. And the date when she wrote a letter was 21st March 2019. She begins with the letter. Dear Raja, how are you? I have been missing you very much since you left school and joined Sevenoaks School in London. Do you like your new school? Have you made some new friends there? So when she is writing a letter to Raja, she is missing Raja a lot, and Raja left her school and he went with his parents in the school of London. The name of the school is Sevenoaks School, and she is just asking her friend that whether he has made some new friends there or no. So earlier this month we had a long break. She actually went to Rajasthan with her parents. So she is telling what all things she has seen to that new place. She enjoyed that trip a lot. So she is just informing her friend Raja. My dad decided to take us all to Jaipur, the capital city of Rajasthan, for a few days. We wanted to enjoy some Rajasthani food and catch a glimpse of Rajasthani culture. So from Kolkata we took a plane to New Delhi and then hired a car till Jaipur. Though Jaipur has a large airport, we wanted to enjoy a road trip. You see, Dad had booked 2 rooms in the tourist lodge run by Rajasthan Tourism Board. We arrived in the evening and decided to rest for the night. Early next morning, we went to visit the Amber Fort, which is in Jaipur. We took a taxi to this beautiful fort that was about 10 km away from our hotel. Dad hired a local guide who told us about this old fort and its history as we walked to the fort. So they have hired one guide who guided them, who told them the whole story of this Amber Fort and the other places which are there in Jaipur. So from their hotel, the fort was about 10 km away. So they went there. The magnificent fort comprises a palace complex built from pale yellow and pink stones. So this fort is made up of pale yellow color and pink stones. This palace complex is divided into 4 sections, each with its own courtyard. So here you have seen 4 courtyards also. The palace is divided into 4 parts. We entered Amber Fort through the Suraj Pole, that is Sun Gate, which leads to the Jaleb Chowk, that is main courtyard. So they entered from the main courtyard which leads to the Jaleb Chowk. Okay, so this area could be viewed by a woman from the windows of the palace. So from the windows of the palace we can see this Jaleb Chowk clearly. So from Jaleb Chowk a beautiful stairway leads up to the main palace. We were happy that the guide was with us, as there were many narrow alleys and confusing turns. So the fort is very big. So once you enter the fort, it is very confusing, turns are there. So the guide was there with them, who was guiding them and telling them from where to move. He took us through the various courtyards, alleys and temples of the fort. These had brilliant mirror work and stone patterns. The court, so that palace has a very good mirror work and stone patterns. So our next stop was the Hawa Mahal, the palace of the winds. This Hawa Mahal is called as the palace of the winds. It was built by Maharaja Savai Pratap Singh in 1799. The Hawa Mahal is made of red and pink stones, and from the outside it looks like a beautiful honeycomb. Honeycomb means madhumakhi ka chhata. Every room in this palace has different colored marble walls, children. The royal ladies used to watch procession and festivals from the 953 windows that were built for them to see. So they were not permitted to mix with the commoners outside. Since it was past lunch time and we had breakfast long back, so we were very hungry, our driver suggested a restaurant that served traditional Rajasthani food. So we were in a pleasant surprise as the food was served on silverware, means chandi ki thali. The royal interiors with golden and marble panels on the walls took us back in time. We had pyaz ki kachori there, deep fried flour dough filled with fried onions and spices. Gatte ki sabji they had there, with chickpea dumplings cooked in spicy sauce and rice. We also drank soothing, mildly flavored buttermilk. The restaurant had an outdoor sitting arrangement, so we watched the beautiful sunset that evening. So they had the lunch outside. There was sitting arrangements, so they have seen the sunset also that evening. We were all very happy to be eating such royal food in a superb palace. They were very happy to eat in that restaurant. The next day we visited the city palace, the Jantar Mantar and the Mansagar lake. The city of Jaipur is bright and colorful with beautiful palaces, temples, forts and hills. I will write to you about the second day of our visit in our next letter. I hope you enjoyed reading my letter. I would love to know how your holiday went. Lots of love, Ria. So this is the letter describing about the place of Jaipur, the city of Jaipur, which is in Rajasthan. They enjoyed that trip a lot. Ria enjoyed that trip a lot, and she has described in her letter everything about that city to her friend Raja. Understood, children?